Hey guys, real excited. Got a fresh pack of Pokemon cards open today. First, just want to shout out Beyond Comics. It's this cool little comic book store. It's not that little, but it's in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and you should go check it out. It's off of 355. And here we go. Temporal Forces. We're gonna see what we get today. Alright, we got energy. Oh, let's go. Coradion EX. Great first pull. Ooh, holographic Bronzor. Another holographic Newsleaf. Rimbobee. Rescue Board. Pretty cool skateboard. Iron Valiant. Nice.